how insane that thing looks in the light. Whew. That's sexy, bro. That is so sexy. What's going on, guys? It's Toby here, and we are finally picking up the Camaro. So it's been a long time. Say what's up, Dan.
Yo, what's up, YouTube?
Yeah, so Dan is coming along for the ride. He's actually going to drive the Camaro back. Then we got to head back to Orlando. And unfortunately, I think we're picking up the Camaro on the night because I'm coming all the way from Gainesville. So we might have to go to like a gas station to get some lighting, but we're in a super big rush. I did not plan for it to go like this, but I had to talk to my professor, and it was a whole big deal. But anyways, we're almost there, so I'll update you guys. We're an hour out.
I had to, man.
Yeah, he had to incorporate some Riz right there. He was making some plans. Let's just keep it at that. But we're 17 minutes out from seeing the Camaro. We gotta go pick up the key first because obviously the body shop's closed, and then we'll see it in the lot, take it back to the apartment, head back, and probably take a couple of videos underneath like gas station lighting, because you guys know if you're a car guy, the gas station lighting hits different. So we need to show what the bumper looks like and show how much of a globe Sully had, because now the car looks 3 times better, trust me.
It looks so good, dude. So good.
Freaking 4 hours later, we actually stopped to get something to eat, but here's the moment of truth. We are turning.
We've been driving for 4 hours.
All right,
just
Dan.
for this
Dan is a little out of control right now.
All right, don't
Dan's choking on something. I don't know what, but there's the Camaro right there. Whoa. Whoa. Let's get out of the car and see it.
See it.
Get it up right now, actually. Some followers pulled up. They saw me. Dude, that looks crazy. That's a major upgrade of what I had before.
Dude, that looks aggressive.
Yeah, it does. It looks better than the Mustang. That's crazy. What? You see how...
What's up, bro?
What's up, Bubba?
That looks nuts. What do you guys think of it? Better than before? Yeah, it is better than before, I think. Looks better than the Mustang.
And then we did a U-turn, and then we came and waited over here. And then I was like, is he turning? I was like, bro, well, what if it's just a shop and not even him?
Yeah. Oh, you thought someone else?
You. That was you waving, right?
Yeah, I was like...
Yeah, and then I revved it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was you. All right, well, it was nice to meet you guys.
Yeah.
We're probably going to head out. We got to drive 2.5 hours, 3 hours back.
Nice to meet y'all, bro.
Nice to meet you.
Right, thank you.
I'll see you guys. Clowning, like, oh, yeah. They heard us. They were laughing. It was so sus. They don't even know us. No. They don't even know us.
They don't know me. They know you.
Yeah, but they didn't expect, like, imagine you meet someone from the internet.
Dude,
and they like
heard
that.
me. They heard me come around and be like, oh my God, they didn't match the paint.
Nah, this is crazy, though. I mean, look how aggressive. We got to get more angles. What, Dan?
That is mean.
Yeah, it is.
Mean, bro.
It looks way better than before. And he also washed the car, it looks like. So, Dan, are you worthy to drive this car? Yeah.
No, man.
No, you got it. Come on. You have your driver's license, do you not?
Dude, I've had it for like a couple months.
You can drive.
Okay.
You're good. That's insane. No, look at that. And then we'll have this thing supercharged, too, by the end of the month, which is crazy to think about. And eventual built motor, too. So these new SS headlights look really good, too. I think we're just gonna go to the gas station now and get better lighting and stuff so it looks nicer. No way. I drive this before you drive it, and I was like, yeah, you're gonna do the maiden voyage.
The maiden voyage.
You're gonna take his virginity, Dad.
I'm gonna take his virginity.
Bro, this is gonna get demonetized.
Oh! Wow,
Now,
bro.
Buddy, adjust your seat so that you're like good to sit in there, bro.
God, I'm too big.
Oh!
Bro, people. Shit, dude.
That's how it is in a Camaro.
Oh my God.
You cannot see anything out of this car. I like how that's the first thing you say.
Yeah.
All right, turn it on. I haven't heard this thing start in months, bro. It's been months.
Sounds good.
Yeah. That's wild. Can't believe this thing is actually done. Yeah, I'm kind of freaking out right now. That thing looks so mean. Yeah, guys, this was a good decision. I don't even know if I want to wrap the hood black again. It just looks so sick. With the wing and everything.
This is awesome, dude.
You like it?
It's awesome.
Yeah, it looks insane, Dan. Wait till you see it like in the full light.
Like that smell, Dan?
Smells good, bro.
Yeah. Tires in the back. We got the VMSs in the back. This thing is ready to make a pass with the blower.
I'm so nervous. My hands are clammy.
Nah, you're good, bro. I keep ripping, by the way. Oh, is that my gum that just flew into?
What's wrong with you?
Bro, I need to take a crap, like a major.
You're gonna take a gas tank?
We got to go to the apartment, drop the Mustang, bring this bad boy up.
We gotta take pictures.
Yeah, we got to get pictures too.
All
right, let's go before someone comes out here and calls the cops. These two kids stole these cars. No, like 100%. That ZL1 looks way better. What's up, Vinny? Oh, really? That's me. Yeah, you can see me on like the camera. Can you hear the audio? Can you hear audio or no? Like, holy crap, look at that thing. I know you can't really see it, but it looks like a menace. I like how that Camaro looks more than this car, which is crazy to think about. We're gonna take some pictures at the gas station right now. I know you guys probably can't see me, but like, I'm geeking. I'm geeking out. Dan is geeking, he's taking videos of the inside. It looks insane, man. Big shout out to Vinny at Supreme Paint and Body. I'll drop everything, his social medias in the description below. I'll put up his logo, put up his address. If you guys need any body work done, check him out in West Palm Beach. He does not miss. How insane that thing looks in the light. Whew. That's sexy, bro. That is so sexy. Dan, you gotta see what it looks like in the light, bro. Actually, pull it right next to the Mustang so I can take a picture.
But the gas is on this side.
It's on the right side.
Yeah, it's on the right side.
Yeah, it is. It's so quiet.
Look, you just got out of your car.
Rev it real quick. That's wild, bro. That Type R blue is crazy. It's exactly like mine, Rapid blue. But we're probably gonna take some pictures here and then head out. This is like a whole pop-up car meet that came out of nowhere. Just randomly pulled up on it. So we're probably gonna head out super soon. Alex, you can be in it, bro. You can be in the vlog.
Let's go. I actually went to middle school with this kid before that too. We were still in, didn't you go to Rosarian?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's nuts,
dude.
bro.
So we had a little reunion here. We're also gonna be heading out pretty soon. I just wanted to do a full walk around of what the car looks like, and then maybe show the headlights one more time because I don't think I showed that for YouTube. But the new headlights are nuts. I'm gonna show you guys the hazards. Just put on the turn signals on each side. So those are the new hazards. And then, Dan, can you put on the left and the right? There's a really nice C6 back there. I want one of those next. So like, you see how the SS headlights actually come in the middle? I didn't have that before I had the LT1. Should be on the right, Dan. Push the stick down. Oh, other side, I guess. Ah! The payments on this one are $550 a month. Yeah, I just got the car back.
Dirt bike in there.
that would be cool. There's the turn signals though. Looks sick. Do the other side. Dan! Do the other side. That's what I was talking about. Like, you have these things that go all the way in. You don't have that with the normal LT1 headlights. Look how crazy. I know you guys probably getting annoyed with me, but like, I'm geeking out about how good that car looks. You like it? Woo! He's losing his mind driving that car. He loves it. I'll let him drive it when it's supercharged too. Definitely. The thing looks so crazy, bro. Bro, Dan, you screamed and that guy he was like, what?
I was like,
Thought that was really brake. What do you think of driving this car? You like it?
I like it, dude.
Alright, pull behind the Mustang because I gotta move that one back upstairs and then I'll park the Mustang. Yeah, right behind it. Alright, we need to grab the headers.
I'm such a good cameraman.
We need to grab the headers. Dan is clowning. And then we can dip out of here officially. This is like the last
Such a good cameraman.
Where are the gaskets?
You're like
bro?
completely out of frame, bro.
Actually? Yeah. Where are the gaskets for these headers? We need these long tubes, bro.
It's like, what kind of gray is that? What did I say?
Gunmetal gray.
Yeah.
Alright, you know what? I feel like they didn't include gaskets. Whatever. Let's go. Let's dip. Send it.
Hold up.
There's no zoom on that.
There's no zoom on that?
No, it's
Hold up, I'll just have to do this.
That's what I do to everyone, bro.
You do.
Oh my god. Official camera, bro. Official camera, bro. Look at
All right, Dan, let's go. We gotta go. We drive 2.5 hours now. Actually, never mind. Here are the gaskets. That was kind of a dumb
They were
movement.
literally in your hand.
In my hand.
They were in your hand.
All right, let's dip.
Is it on? Toby, is it on?
Yeah, it's recording, man.
It's recording. It's recording.
God, man. This man's adding like 3 hours to my editing time.
Whoops. Yo, blow it to the thing. Make a car sound. Make a car sound.
Dan is next level messing around, but I shoved the headers in there, and then on the other side I have the same thing going on. Had to take them out of the packaging, as you guys probably saw within the video. And yeah, now we're heading to Orlando, so I don't know what else we're gonna do in this vlog, but we'll probably pick it up tomorrow when I'm in Gainesville or something like that. The car is crazy though. I love it.
Not gonna lie, it's actually crazy to be driving this thing after so long. I'm like not used to it and the visibility, but it feels good, man. It's nice to not be in a car that drones like crazy, because I can't stand Sally for daily driving. It's annoying, but like it's so peaceful to be in this car. And then we're gonna wake her up real soon with the supercharger that I just got, so that's gonna be super fun. I can't wait for that as well. Actually, the next day, and I wanna get my buddy Radon's reaction to the car, so I pulled up to his work. It was actually on the way of going back to school at UF, and I'm gonna surprise him at work. He doesn't know that I'm here, so I'm gonna pull in, show him the car, and get his reaction. That is not the correct place for where Radon works. That is on me. But anyways, we're gonna get Devin's reaction because we can actually get it, and I'll show you all the car in the broad daylight and discuss a few things that we're gonna do. I don't know if I revealed this already, but I did buy an Lt4 Supercharger for this car. It's coming this week, I can't wait. And yeah, this car is gonna be supercharged too. I'm also doing a boost cam and drop-in rods and pistons, but we're gonna start with the blower. On low PSI, we should be good. I don't know who's gonna tune it yet, so if you guys have any good tuning recommendations for the LT1 and the Chevy platform, definitely let me know, and I'll do some research. But this car is gonna be supercharged too, so we're gonna have 2 supercharged V8s, one a manual, and obviously the other one is going to be this 10-speed, and nobody's letting me merge here. I'll put these guys in the vlog, they recognize me driving. We'll put you guys in the vlog! This is the daytime reveal of what the actual paint job, the bumper, and the fenders look like. As you can see, we have like perfect alignment with the bumper and the fender, but we have some problems with alignment here, and that's because the hood buckled when I got into that accident. So, you know, they reused the hood and everything, but I still think the car looks really, really good. It doesn't really take anything away from it. And then if we squat down, you can see those SS headlights once again, and you can see like the little gap right there in the hood. So that's the only thing that you can tell different. Now I can drop a full review on this setup right here for the bumper. This is from Auto Addicts USA. It's their 19 plus conversion, I'm pretty sure, for the SS and all models of the Camaro as well. Yeah, because I'm pretty sure you can put this on the V6, because obviously this is the V6 body or the LT1. So I'm super pleased with this. We gotta grab Devin's reaction, but I don't know what that man's doing right now. He's not answering his phone. He's probably sleeping, but I'm gonna drop by his place anyways and wake him up. What's going on with Devin? I haven't been able to contact him, so I guess we're not gonna get a reaction from him today. We'll have to do it tomorrow, but I wanted to show you all these C8 styled taillights from Auto Addicts USA that we are going to be installing on Sully. So Sully looks crazy right now. I know I keep saying that, but like I'm geeking at how good that new bumper setup looks on this car. I mean, let's just pan around real quick. Yeah, that is sick. And I was skeptical about the canards, but I actually ended up liking them. But anyways, let's get back to the main point here. We have these C8 styled Corvette taillights. It's actually gonna match up the white side markers that I have here. And obviously right now I'm rocking the OEM red ones. But if we put this right here, and I might have to put it down just to get a better mock-up, but that's what it's gonna look like. Okay, so I went ahead and opened up the trunk for the best mock-up possible, and that's what they're gonna look like. So that's a big upgrade over the red ones. And honestly, I didn't think that would work out. Like, I didn't really think it would look good, a Corvette taillight on the back of a Camaro, but it looks awesome. So maybe I can like hold it over here and like zoom out possibly. I don't know, I need Devin's help to do this mock-up, but it's gonna look super dope. So definitely stay tuned for that. And on that note, if you guys enjoyed this video, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe. I actually have to drop off this intake manifold with the ported throttle body and sell it because we're going with the blower setup. So I'm actually shipping this off to Michael. Big shout out to you, bro. You'll have it on like Tuesday or Wednesday. It's gonna be the outro to the vlog.
Yeah.
You recorded that, right?
Yeah, I recorded it. And that's it. Peace out, guys.